Welcome back. So the topic for the video is sharing a record using Apex. So let's understand the problem first and then we will solve it using Apex. So here I have two users. One is, you can see, second and third number. The first one is Shubham Lashkan and second one is also Shubham SL. Here you can see full name Lashkan Shubham and Lashkan Shubham, and one is having a profile of administrator and second is having the profile of standard user. So when system administrator create a record, it will not be visible with standard users now, but we want to show the records to standard users also. So for that we will solve the problem. So let's first create a record so I can show you that the record is not visible to a standard user. So in this window I have logged in with as a system administrator, and in this window I have logged in as standard user. So let me create a record and let me write it as some test record, or what are the other fields which are required. I don't think there are some fields which are required, so let's save it. So a record is created which is some test record, and it is not visible to standard user because I have created it as an administrator, and the system, the organization wide default for account object is private now. So what is sharing settings, and the org wide default for accounts object, you can see it is private, so it is only visible to our administrator and the record is not visible to a standard user. While using Apex we want to share the record with standard user. So there is a document on Apex developer guide which is titled as sharing a record using Apex. Using this we can share a record with other users. So what it say: to access sharing programmatically you must use the share object associated with a standard or custom object. So if we have an object called as account, then we also have a sharing object which is named as account share, and if we have a object called as contact, then we have a sharing object named as contact share, and if we have some custom object named as my custom object, then the sharing object for my custom object is my custom object share. So we will be using the sharing object to share a record with other users. Now there are some properties which we will be setting while sharing the record. So the first property is access level. So what is the level of access which we want to give to the user with whom we are sharing the record? So there are three values: read access, edit access, and all. So if we are sharing account object with other users, so the property name will be account access level and the values will be read, edit, and all. And there are some other fields also, like parent ID, row cause, the reason why the user or group is being granted access, why row cause meaning is why we are sharing a record with this user. So we don't need to set this value now, but we will be setting it when it is required. Other field is user or group ID, so with which user or group we are sharing the record with. So let's do one thing, let's write the Apex code to share a record. So I have opened my developer console and let me create sharing account object. So this is the class which I am creating here. It is taking some time. Yeah, let's write a method, and I will be naming the method as public static void share records, and let's first get the record which we will be creating. So list we don't need a list, but let's store it in a list. Accounts equals to select id from account, where what is the field we have set here is, so account name, and it is where name equals to some test record. We will be sharing this record with other user, so some test record. So we have got the what we say, the record id. Now let's do one thing. Let's create account share object, account share, and acc share equals to new account share. And I don't think that we will be requiring a list. Yes, let's do it. So account share dot account id. So what is the account we are sharing, which is equals to accounts dot account 0 dot id, and let's restrict it to selecting only one record. So I will be writing as limit 1. I only wants to select one record, and I will be sharing that record with account share object. Now the next thing is account share dot user or group id, and let's find the user or group id. You can find the user or group id by using this query. So let me execute it once more so you can see the result. Yeah, so there are two users named Shubham Lashkan and Shubham Lashkan, and I want to share the id with this user, so I will be copying the id from here. Why I am not able to copy the id? I can also, from where I can copy this id, yeah, it's available to copy. So you have to double click here, then you will be able to copy it. So I have copied the id. I have shared the this record with this user. Now let gives the access level, share dot account access level as read only. So I will be writing read, and now let's insert account share, and I think it will work. Let me show you once more that here no record with account name, some test record is available. After executing the Apex class, the record will be available if everything goes fine. So let's execute this, and the name of the file is sharing account object dot share records and semicolon, and let's execute it, and I hope it will work. Required, okay, we have not set the opportunity access level, so we have to set it also. So because account opportunity object is related with account, so we also need to set opportunity access level. Let me set it to read, and let's run it now. I hope it will work now. Execute. So there are no exceptions, so the record has been shared. Let's see, let's refresh this page and see if the record is visible. yeah, a record named as some text record is visible to the user Shubham Laskan, which is having a profile of standard user. So this is how we share a record with other user or group using Apex. For sharing a record with the group, you can I have given here the user ID, you can give the group ID, and the record will be shared with a group of users. So that's it in this video. You can learn more about sharing a record using Apex from the Apex developer guide. So this is the guide, you can learn it from here. That's it in this video. We will see some more topics in the next video. Thank you very much.